Baseball action at Bath High School, where the 3-3 Wildcats would trail undefeated Crestview 5-1 in the 6th inning. The starter for Bath, Clay Bodecker, still on the hump and still bringing the heat. The strikeout, his 7th and final of the day in a 6-inning stint, holds the score at 5-1. Now, bottom of the frame, the Cats have bases loaded after an RBI single, but the rain is picking up fast. A wild pitch goes over the catcher's head. Bath would score on back-to-back wild pitches. That brings the score to 5-4, but with the tying run on third, the umps say it's too wet to continue. Crestview will go home with a 5-4 win.